Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a latte from pumpkin spice coffee. Now, if you've gotten pumpkin spice coffee because it's one of your favorite flavors, the good news is you don't have to just drink it in your drip coffee pot at home. You can actually make it into a latte using your home espresso machine. What you're going to need in order to do this is some steamed milk, your pumpkin spice coffee, and your espresso machine. Basically, what you want to make sure is that if you have whole bean flavored pumpkin spice coffee, you're going to want to use your grinder at home to make your coffee grounds as fine as possible. You're going to want to make them almost into a powdered form because this is what it takes to make a shot of espresso effective. Once you have your ground pumpkin spice coffee in a very fine grind, you're going to then add it to your portafilter. Your portafilter is a device that comes off of your home espresso maker. You're going to fill it to the top. You're going to use your pinky to clear the surface to make sure you have an even surface. Then you're going to take your tamper, which is the device that is used to press down on the coffee. You're going to use 40 pounds of pressure to force the coffee to make it very compact into the portafilter. You're then going to take the portafilter, put it into your espresso machine, turn your espresso machine on to pull that shot. As the shot's pouring, you're going to want to keep an eye on the color of the coffee coming out of the portafilter. It'll start getting lighter and lighter the longer that you leave your espresso machine on. Once it starts turning to a dark orange, yellowish color, you're going to want to turn off that shot. As that shot is sitting there, you can then go ahead and steam your milk. Now for a latte, you're going to want to make sure that the milk isn't extremely frothy, meaning doesn't have a lot of foam on top. For a latte, you want it to have about 1 inch of even foam, and the rest of your beverage will be steamed hot milk. So you're going to go ahead and insert your steam wand, steam up your milk. Once you have both of those ingredients, your espresso made from your pumpkin spice coffee and your steamed milk, you're going to pour your espresso into a serving cup, and then you're going to add your steamed milk to the top of that espresso. You can add sugar or artificial sweetener, whatever you prefer, and then you can drink it from there. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a latte from pumpkin spice coffee.